We are Team Code Rocket, and today we present our solution for problem statement 25103, ERP-based Integrated Student Management System under the theme Smart Automation. Currently, in most colleges, admissions, fees, hostel, and exams are all managed separately. Students face long queues. Staff have to re-enter the same data. Administrators get no real-time overview. This creates inefficiency, frustration, and delays. We propose Studix, a centralized ERP platform that unifies all student services into one system. Our key pillars are a centralized database for all operations, automation with digital receipts and instant notifications, dashboards with real-time insights, low-cost cloud solution with role-based security. What sets students apart? Offline sync for low internet zones, smart alerts via SMS or email, linked workflows from admission to exams, visual analytics for quick insights, DIY expansion so colleges can add modules easily. Our tech stack is as follows. The front-end has been hosted on Vercel, backend and APIs have been integrated with socket communication, cloud integration with Twilio for messaging, secure role-based database and backups. The user first logs into the system and the access is verified. A dashboard opens and the user selects a module, admissions, exam, hostel, fees, etc. The request goes to the ERP system. System checks linked workflows, for example, admission to exam to results. Data is fetched and updated from centralized records. System triggers actions like sending alerts, generating reports, or updating status. Notifications and receipts are sent to students or staff instantly. The admin monitors dashboards with real-time analytics and insights. It utilizes common web tools like Google Sheets, Forms, and MS 365 to create an efficient, scalable ERP platform without heavy software or servers. It can be used by a large number of colleges without major challenges. System built in independent parts can be added, removed, or updated easily. The impacts and benefits for students is that this is hassle-free and have no queues. Staff have reduced workload and fewer errors. For admins, they have real-time dashboards and transparent data. For institutions, it is audit-ready, paperless, and reputation upgrade. So, now that I've explained the concept, let's move to the live demo of our website, Studix. So, we'll start with the landing page. Here's the landing page. Simple and welcoming. This is the entry point for students, staff, and admins. So first we'll have a look at the student application. Let's take a student, for example. We'll just take demo student here. We will fill in all the personal details, academic details, and contact details. On submission, the request goes directly to the admin. Now, moving on to the admin dashboard. As the admin logs in with their credentials, they instantly see the student's request. They can review it, approve it, as well as deny it. Once they approve the request, the student gets the credentials to log in. As the student logs in, their profile is already populated with the approved details. Now, for the hostel allocation, the students who have applied for a hostel are listed in the unallotted list. The system checks for availability and allocates a room. Both student and hostel manager can see it instantly. For the library book issue, the students request a library book. The system tracks issued and returned books and eliminates any manual registers. Finally, the financial dashboard. It gives a real-time view of fees collected, pending dues, and receipts. It promotes transparent and data-driven decisions for admins. With Studix, every step from admission to hostel, library, and finances is unified. No more queues, no more duplication, no more chaos. Instead, students get convenience, staff get efficiency, and administrators get control. Thank you.